So here we'll be discussing about tabs in the dashboard. So you will see here it's getting it organized, right? So the title of this dashboard is application service, right? But because of this massive data reports and information, right, it won't be appropriate to have just one page, right? So now it's segregated to multiple tabs, right? So you have an overview, and you could see from the overview you have related focus areas and so on, right? So you become more organized and granular on what you're trying to present, right? So as you can see here on the lower right, so you could add a tab easily, right? So the steps is you go to the configuration panel and create a tab. As you create a tab, the process on adding and removing widgets, right, in the dashboard is the same, right? So it's a matter of like adding an additional page, right? And you could either also edit or delete this tab itself. All right, I'll see you on my next video.